working with D.I.Y with the receipt. What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, man. Just got through working on Problem Child, aka Brutus. Gonna go on the first drive. Well, we already been on the drive, but we want to take y'all on the first drive. Let y'all see what she doing before she get full exhaust. And man, she moving on her own power, y'all. She moving on her own power. All right. Y'all see that LS up and down? Yes, sir. Been a long time coming. How long it been since you had the thing running?
3 or 4 years.
3 to 4 years, man. And she running, baby. Shifting out good. Of course, like I said, we gotta get the exhaust done. We also got to put that sensor on there. That could be another reason too. That's that TCC sensor. Still got to put that in there. Yeah, matter of fact, let's go on turn her around, get her back. 'Cause I don't want to ride too much without that with that sensor on that off there. So yeah, gang. We are rolling in the Problem Child, aka Brutus. Yes, sir. Just wanted to give y'all an update. Man. Show y'all what we doing, man. Problem Child, Brutus. Yes, sir. We still gotta tune this thing. Maybe get it, do a couple burnouts. Maybe. Alright, man. Y'all like, subscribe, share, man. Hit that thumbs up button for your boy, man. D.I.Y with the receipt. Like I said, man, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens